Time for a copper electroplating some stuff. Be doing some ball bearing ammunition for slingshots. Got some nuts and bolts and stuff here. Probably do a spring as well. That'll probably come up nice. A lot of this I'll be plating in 22 karat gold afterwards, as this stainless steel's not really good to plate on unless you plate copper or nickel or some such onto it first. There's the knives I done earlier. Nice coating of copper on them both, as you can see, one thicker than the other though. Still quite nice. I'm in the process of doing a ball bearing right now, as you can see. Hasn't been in too long. It's just starting to coat with copper. Ooh, nearly went in the liquid. That would have been bad. As you can see there, some on the crocodile clip. Try and get that in focus. There we go. Sort of going a bit bronzy, you can see, compared to what it was before. Sort of rusty. As you can see, it's fizzing away there. Crocodile clip has also become inflated, but whatever. I guess both will have a plating of copper on them. Get that stirring rod out of there. Mix up the electrolytes and speeds up the process a little bit. That stuff's copper chlorate, as I've mentioned before. You can find out how to make that by watching my videos. Like and subscribe if you're interested in them. Speeds up the electroplating doing that, but you could probably use some sort of pump, air pump. The crocodile clip's looking quite nice with the copper coating. Starting to adhere to it, looking almost gold. That's because it's such a thin layer though. This could take a while just to achieve the basic first plating, and you'll have to put it in for a second most likely. Can be done quicker on either higher or lower power or voltage. You have to experiment for yourself. Find which voltages work for you. If you use salt rather than sodium bicarbonate, you'll be producing toxic gas. So use sodium bicarbonate, otherwise you won't be able to stand over it for very long. Although if you use the right protection, I guess it doesn't matter. Let that plate for a few minutes. Seems to be plating quite well. You can see loads of copper particles moving with the electron flow. Stir it a bit more. Helps to have the liquid sort of warm also. Just warming on the radiator or whatever. Heats off. Thin layer of copper on there already, as you can see. Not thick, but it's there. I'll post the results in the thumbnail as usual. Like and subscribe if you're interested. If not, tell me why. Isn't the light? The crocodile clip is also becoming plated in copper. Oh well, I guess both copper crocodile clip and slingshot eyeball. Cool. Guess that'll increase the conductivity anyway. Getting a nice coating of copper there now. After a few minutes, that should be very coppery once done. Definitely wear gloves. This stuff stains your skin bad. Trust me. I know. Definitely speeding up the process. You shouldn't smoke while doing any of these things. A lot of oxygen is produced, hydrogen also. Both very explosive, as you should know. A lot of these bubbles contain hydrogen and oxygen, which can be collected off either the anode or the cathode. Positive or negative pull. It's a good idea to use a glass stirring rod, otherwise it'll stain badly and you'll destroy one of your spoons or some such. These are very cheap. Quite tough, they're just made of borax glass or borosilicate, whatever you want to call it. Nice. Definitely get in there. We'll give that about 5 minutes more and then see how it comes out. I'll post the results in the thumbnail and also do the spring, one of these little things, as they should plate quite nice. Wouldn't mind a few gold one of these. Plate them in copper first. Also make a convenient stand for one of the balls itself. See? Seems the crocodile clip has a nice plating of copper on most of it also. Cool. This is just the first plating, I remind you. Micron or two. And then I'll do the same repeatedly to build up the layers. Pretty simple process. All of these components are DIY and salvage, apart from the crocodile clip. Not that one, they actually are rubbish. One of them is fairly rusty. That one. Slowly being eaten away. That crocodile clip is looking very coppery. Almost like dark gold. Must be a nice thin plating built up on it by now. Give it 1 minute more and then we'll check it. See what the results are. Same process for the springs and other stuff. Works better on material that's flawless, no cracks or scratches and such. So, clean steel. Alright. What we got? Disconnect that. Drain that off a bit. Nice. Nice copper plating on that, as you can see. This looks sort of like a cannonball. Quite nice. Crocodile clip has also sustained some copperizing, as you can see. Looks almost golden. Let's release this and see. A little dry. Oh, that's quite nice, isn't it? Thin layer of copper on there. Definitely build that up a bit more though. Well, until the next electroplating.